All right, we got a new light in the shop. I bought this because I'm going to be doing some remodeling in the shop, which includes putting new lights up in the ceiling. The ones that are up there are just those two bulb tube lights. They kind of suck. Got a lot of shadows in here. So I got this for use, it plugs in while I'm working. It's 2000 lumen LED work light, integrated bulb, wet location, sealed switch, sissy 5-foot cord. It works with the Husky tripod. Well, it'd be nice if it worked with any tripod. And a 3-year limited warranty. Model number 1003 911 458. Oh, there we go. Light output 2000 lumens, 25 watts. There's all your specs. So let's see what we got here. This thing went for about $34, I think. I hope it's worth owning. Don't really want to have to return it, but I will if it's a piece of junk. So looks like some assembly required, which, shouldn't surprise any of you. But it is nice that they've got the big plastic wing nuts on there so that, well, son of a... Okay, so first things first, that's like tight, and still wants to swivel and move around and self-loosen itself. So they cheaped out on giving us a lock washer. That's kind of crap. But we have lock washers on the pivot. Guess that's nice. We have a warning label that is falling off. So nice quality control there. This device complies with FCC, blah, 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 bullshit. So that's coming off. Oh, now, this is what you want to look at here. That is a janky looking switch. Sorry, I'm freehanding it here. That is, got some glue there holding the booty on. Yeah, I'm sure that's going to rip in short order. Man, you don't get much for $35 these days, do you? Get the child-proof strap off the power cord and see what we... The other thing is it's really light, and this cord is like frozen garden hose. I think I just blinded you. So I don't know if it's going to scoot around. The caps in here are hard plastic, so they're slippery as shit. I'm gonna go around and shut off some shop lights and see if we can get an idea how bright it is. All right, I gotta say it's pretty bright. You can see what's going on. I mean, I just have the one light over my bench here. Let me kill that, and then we'll just be working off this light. Where the hell is that light going? All right, so now you can't see a damn thing. So that's a screw up. So let me get my handy dandy flashlight and see if I can figure out what's wrong. Oh, that's the problem. There we go. All right, so currently the only light in the shop is this new one. 3000 lumens. Like I say, not bad, but I would have wanted it to be a little brighter, but if you had 2 or 3 of these, you might have something going on. Turn it straight up and work on the lights, replacing those, swapping them out, rewiring them. I guess I'll be able to see what I'm doing. So if you own one of these lights, let me know what you think if you've spent any time with it, but I'll maybe do a part 2 and report back after I've tried to work with it. But the area that it's hitting, as I've got it turned toward the wall here, that area is nice and bright, but I guess it doesn't have the width of that I would have liked, but it's not bad. We'll go with this and see what we see, and catch you later.